Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We're going to start with grade 3 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter multiplication. The lessons are multiply a one digit number by three digit numbers with problems. Multiply three or more numbers word problems, combinations. Then we'll start a new chapter that is division, skill builders, and we will cover a lesson that is divide by one. So let's just start with the first lesson that is multiply one digit number by three digit numbers word problems. Okay, here I am on grade 3 maths. Here is the lesson multiply one digit number by three digit numbers word problem. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay. Okay, let's just start with the lesson multiply one digit number by three digit number word problems. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, a seed company filled two bags with seed. They put 143 grams of seed in each bag. How many grams of seed are there in all in the bags combined? You have to get 30 total seeds in the bag, got it? So in one bag they put 143 grams. So basically you have to do 143 times 2. That is the because there is a connectivity issue. That's why the lesson is late. Don't worry. It was a connectivity issue. Okay, so you have to do 143 times 2. Got it? So that would be 286 grams. That means the total is 286 grams of seed in all. Got it? So let's just start with the test questions. We'll do the more practice questions. Okay, just listen to me carefully. A restaurant purchased 8 boxes of ketchup packets. Each box contained 101 packets of ketchup. How many ketchup packets in total did the restaurant purchase? So you need to do 101 times 8. Got it? So basically you have to calculate the total ketchup they buy. So you have to do 101 times 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 0 is 0. Then 8 times 1 is 8. Got it? So 101 times 8 equals 808. So the correct option is 808. Got it? Okay, the next one is a foundation donates $122 per year to the state university. How much will the foundation donate in total to the university in 2 years? You need to calculate the total amount they donate in 2 years. Got it? Each year they donate $122. So basically you need to do 122 times 8. Got it? 122 times 2. So start multiplying from the rightmost digit. 2 times 2 is 4. Then you have to do next digit. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 1 is 2. Yes, very good. You do 244. Got it. That means the total money they donate in 2 years is 244. Got it. The correct option is 244. I already told you because there is an internet connectivity issue. That's why the class is late. A restaurant purchased two boxes of ketchup packets. Each box contained 241 packets of ketchup. How many ketchup packets in total did the restaurant purchase? You have to calculate how many total packets they have. So in one packet you have 241 ketchups. Got it? They purchased two boxes. So you have to do 2 times 241. Got it? You guys don't focus on the lesson. You just focus why the session is late. Yes, very good. It would be 241 times 2, that equals 482. So the correct option is 482. Got it? So the correct option is 482. Okay, Geeta's mother gave her 5 packages of stickers. There were 111 stickers in each package. How many stickers did Geeta's mother give her in all? So basically, you have to do 111 times 5. Got it? You have to do 111 times. You have to do 111 times 5. Yes, very good. That would be 555. So the correct option is 555. Very good. Just select the correct option. Click on the OK button. Rosa picked 2 barrels of cherries. She put 222 cherries in each barrel. How many cherries did Rosa picked in all? So you have to do 222 times 2. So which is the correct option? Very good. That would be 444. Yeah, university building has 3 lecture halls. There are 220 seats in each lecture hall. How many seats are there in all? So you have to do 220 times 3. So which is the correct option? Very good. It will be 660. That means the total seats in are 660. Okay, for a school party, the principal bought 3 big bags of candy. There were 332 pieces of candy in each bag. How many pieces of candy did the principal buy in all? So you have to do 332 times 3. So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. It would be 996. Got it. You need to do 332 times 3. That would be 996. Got it. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. You can just move on to the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is multiply three or more numbers. So what we have to do if we have more than three numbers, two numbers to multiply. Let's just start with the first example. That would be 4 times 3 times 4. You have three numbers to multiply. How do you multiply? Just multiply them in pairs. Like you can do 4 times 3. Got it? 4 times 3 makes. 4 times 3 is 12, so it will be 12 times 4, correct? Because we are done with 4 times 3, the answer is 12, and you have the 4 as it is. Now you have to do 12 times 4, so 12 times 4 is very good. That would be 48. That's how you multiply more than two numbers, got it? Just make the pair of numbers and multiply them. So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 1 times 3 times 2, so which is the correct option? 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 2 is 3 times 2 is 6, got it? Yes, very good. The correct option is 6. Okay, the next one is 3 times 3 times 3. So, which is the correct option? Just make the pair of numbers. 3 times 3 makes 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. Got it. So, the correct option is 27. Very good. The next one is 4 times 3 times 5. So, just make the pair of numbers. 4 times 3. So, 4 times 3 is yes, very good. 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 5 makes 60. So the correct option is 60. Okay, the next one is 1 times 2 times 5. So which is the correct option? 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 5 is okay, the next one is 1 times 2 times 5. So 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 5 is, yes, very good. That would be 10. Okay, the next one is 4 times 3 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 4 is, yes, very good. That is 48. 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 4 is 48. So the correct option is 48. Okay, the next one is 4 times 1 times 5. 4 times 1 is, 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 5 is, 4 times 5 is 20. So the correct option is 20. Okay, 5 times 2 times 5. 5 times 2 is, 5 times 2 is 10 and 10 times 5 is? Yes, very good. That would be 50. So the correct option is 50. Okay, the next one is 1 times 3 times 5. So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That would be 5 times 1 is 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 5 is 15. So the correct option is 15. Okay, the next one is 3 times 3 times 1. So which is the correct option? 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 1 is 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 1 is 9. How 6? Yes, that would be 9, not 6. The next one is 2 times 4 times 2. So which is the correct option? Yes, 4 times 2 is 8 and 8 times 2 makes 16. So the correct option is 16. Got it? Okay, we're done with the lesson. Let's just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is multiply three or more numbers word problems. So let's just start with the word problems. I'm going to start with the test questions because tutorial one are already solved. Okay, the bridge toll costs $1. While driving her delivery truck, Karen pays the bridge toll 3 times each day. How much will Karen spend on bridge tolls in 5 days? So basically, you have to multiply all the numbers. It would be one. We have one, three, and five. So it would be 1 times 3 times 5. The toll is to $1 each time. $1 each time, and they cross the bridge 3 times a day. So it would be 1 times 3, and for 5 days you have to calculate. So it would be 5 times 3 is 15, and 15 times 1 is 15. So the correct option is 15. 15 it is, not 16. Okay, when Hugo jumps rope, he jumps 3 times per minute. He jumps for 5 minutes each session. He how many jumps will Hugo do in 4 sessions? Got it? So he jumped 3 times per minute, and each time he jumped 5 minutes each, and he need to calculate the total in 4 sessions. So you need to do 3 times 5 times 4. 3 times 5 times 4. Got it? So 3 times 5 makes 15, and 15 times 4 makes 60. Got it? So it would be, yes, it would be 60. So the correct option is 60. Okay, the next one is in gym class, each student runs 5 laps. There are 5 students in each gym class. How many laps will be run by one class during 3 gym sessions? So you need to do 5 times 5 times 3. Got it? 5 times 5 is, yes, 5 times 5 makes 25, and then you have to do 25 times 3. So 25 times 3 makes, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 2 is 6, and 7, it makes 75. Got it? 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 3 makes 75. So the correct one is 75. Okay, the next one is, a pizza shop charges $5 for a slice of pizza. They cut each whole pizza into 5 slices. How much money will the pizza place make if they sell 4 pizzas? So they sell each piece for $5, and the total they divide, they cut the pizza into 5 pieces, and the total pizzas are 4. You need to count how many pieces the pizza sell. Got it? So you need to do 5 times 5 times 4. Got it? 5 times 5 times 4. So you need to do 5 times 5. 5 times 5 makes 25, and 25 times 4 makes, yes, 25 times 4 makes 100. What happened? You guys are here. 25 times 4 is 100. So the correct option is $100. Got it? Okay, the next one is, Frank earned $2 each for each lawn she moves. He moved 4 lawns each day. How many after mowing lawn for 2 days, how much money will Frank have earned? So it would be 2 times 4 times 2. So which is the correct option? 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 times 2 makes 16. So the correct option is 16. That means the total amount they earn is $16. Got it? Nadia, please write the answer once. The Koi is selling candy bars to raise money for a trip. They sell each candy for $4. There are 3 candy bars in each box, and each student in the Koi can sell 3 boxes of candy bar. How much money can a student in the Koi raise? So you have to do 3 times 4. You need to do 3 times 4. So 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 4 makes, 9 times 4 makes 36. Got it? So the correct option is 36. So here we have $36. Okay, the next one is, a crayon company puts 4 crayons in each box. The boxes of crayon are arranged 4 across. it would be 4 times 4 times 2. So you have to do 4 times 4 times 2. So 4 times 4 makes 16, and 16 times 2 makes, yes, that would be 32 gluons. The total gluons are 32. So the correct option is 32. Okay, a grocery store puts 4 stacks of yogurt cartons on each shelf. There are 4 cartons in each stack. How many cartons of yogurt are there on 3 shelves? So you need to do 4 times 3. So which is the correct option? You need to do 4 times 4 times 3. 4 times 4 is 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 3 makes 48. Got it. So the correct option is 48. Yes, that is 48. Got it. So the correct option is 48. Okay. You can complete the test by yourself later today. 4 times 4 is 8. Nadia, 4 times 4 is 16, not 8. Okay, let's just move on to the next lesson. That would be combinations, and that would be the last chapter, last lesson of the chapter multiplication. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, Ellie is ordering breakfast in a restaurant. She can have scrambled or poached eggs on the side. She can choose to have toast, hash browns, and muffins, cupcakes, or a bagel. How many different combination can Ellie order for breakfast? So for egg, she have two options: scrambled or poached. And for the she has the other toast, hash brown, muffin, cupcake, and bagel. So two for the eggs and five for the side. You have to for the combinations. You need to do two times five. You have to do two times five. Basically, you need to calculate the total combinations. Got it? You can see here is the combination. Like you can select the egg, and you can select with toast. You can select scrambled egg with hash brown, scrambled egg with muffin, scrambled egg with pancake, and scrambled egg with toast. So you have to do two times five. That means the total combinations you have is 10 combinations. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. You just have to multiply all the choices. Got it? So Sydney is deciding what to order at the ice cream shop. She can choose a chocolate cone, plain cone, and waffle cone. Chocolate cone, plain cone, waffle cone, sugar cone, or dish. She can have vanilla, mint, cookie dough, ice cream. How many different combinations can Sydney order? So how many total? Let's just calculate the total options she has. Got it? So for the cone, she has, hold on, 33. How how it is 33? You have chocolate cone, so you have chocolate cone, plain cone, waffle cone, sugar cone, and five combinations for the cone. And then you have three for the flavors: vanilla, mint, and cookie. So you need 5 times 3. That means the total options they have is 15. It's okay. So it would be 15. The correct option is 15. Okay, the next one is Mika is picking her class schedule for next year. She gets to pick one elective class and one language class. The elective class are business and drama. The language available are Chinese, Spanish, Latin, Greek, and Russian. How many different combinations of classes can Mika create? So the two options are elective class, business or and drama, business and drama. Okay, two options they have, business or drama. And then you have Chinese, Spanish, Latin, Greek, and five for the language. So it would be 2 times 5. So 2 times 5 makes two options for the classes and 5 options for the languages. So you need to do 2 times 5. So 2 times 5 is, yes, that would be 2 times 5 equals 10. That means the total combinations they have are, they have total 10 combinations. Got it? Okay, 11 is ordering a burger for lunch. She can have fish, mushroom, turkey, beef, and black bean burger. So, how many options she have for burger? One, two, three, four, five. The bun choices are sesame seed, poppy seed, and wheat. She have three options for the bun. So you need to do 5 times 3. The total combinations you calculate. You have to calculate that would be 5 times 3. So 5 times 3 makes 15. That means the total options she have is 15. Got it? So the correct option is 15. The next one is Lisa and her friends are ordering a pizza to share. They want one vegetable topping and one meat topping. So for the topping they have two options. One meat and one vegetable. One vegetable and one meat. So two options. The vegetable topping are green peppers, mushrooms, broccoli, spinach and onion. They have 5 for this. The meat topping are pepperoni, ham, sausage, and chicken. So you need to do 2 times 5 times. 2 times 2 times 5 is 10 and 10 times 2 is 20. So it would be 20. The correct option is 20. Okay. Leila is deciding what to wear to school. She has a green shirt. She has a green shirt, red shirt, and purple shirt. Three options for shirt, and blue, black, and white pants. Three options for pants. No, four for the shirt and three for the pants. So you do 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 4 times 3 makes 12. So that means the total combination she have is 12. She have 4 shirts and 3 pants. So that means the total options are 12. Got it? Okay. Harold is picking his activities for the year. He wants to play one sport and join one club. The sports he can play are field hockey and golf. The club he is considering are drama club, the science club, and the math club. How many different combinations of activity can Harold pick? So the sports is hockey and golf. Two options for sports and three options for clubs. So two times three makes, yes, that would be six. Got it? Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on with the next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next lesson is we're going to start the new chapter that would be the division skill builder. Let's just start with the very first lesson, that is divide by 1. We're going to learn how to we divide by 1. So remember, whenever we are dividing any number by 1, the answer is the same number. You can see this table. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 3 divided by 1 is 3. Like you divide any number by 1, the answer is same number. Like 1 times 4 is 4. Like you are dividing 1 by 4. See, you are dividing 4 by 1. 1 times what number is 4? 1 4 is 4. So the answer is 4. You are dividing 100 by 1. So 1 times 100 is 100. So the answer is exactly the same number. Got it? Let's just start with the practice question. They're very easy whenever you are dividing. Any number divided by 1 equals the same number. Got it? Hi, Armin. Okay, 1 divided by 9 equals 1 divided by 9 equals, be quick, 1 divided by 9 equals 9. Any number divided by 1 equals the same number. Got it? 1 divided by 1 equals 1 divided by 1 equals 1. 4 divided by 1 equals 4 divided by 1 equals 4. Okay, 3 divided by 1 equals, yes, 3 divided by 1 equals 3. 8 divided by 1 equals, 8 divided by 1 equals 8. 7 divided by 1 equals, very good, that would be 7. So any number divided by 1 equals the same number. Got it? Okay, 2 divided by 1 equals 2. Okay, you can complete the rest by yourself later today. So we are working on grade 3 maths. We have started with the chapter multiplication. The lessons we have covered are multiply one digit number by three digit numbers word problems, multiply three or more numbers, multiply three or more number word problems. Then we did combinations. We've started a new chapter that is division skill builders, and the lessons we have covered from the chapter is divide by 1. Got it? Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.